And I do have my niece here.
That shit is up.
Yep. You have him?
That was me.
Yeah, we out, y'all. Need some air so you won't sweat nothing out.
Look at you.
Yeah. Hey, hold up. Hey, Kaya, yeah, this for my YouTube. Yeah, that's Kaya, y'all. She go hard on TikTok. This is my niece.
Big prom.
You know what I'm saying? Yeah, we'll be back, y'all, tonight. Yeah, that's what's up. We finna go pull up on them, Carmen.
Let's see if I can do this quick.
Okay, want me to... How to get the pull off. She's so grown. Good picture. Got a pose, chat.
Oh yeah. It's still gonna fall.
It's still gonna fall? You gonna put it on your head?
Yeah, it's just built.
Yeah, I don't want to put it like too tight, and then you can't move it. You know what I'm saying?
It could. Dang. It's cool. I'm gonna put it on.
Okay. You ready?
Yeah.
All right. Quick pull. I had to do a quick pull. Yay, Carmen, go have you a good time, man. Enjoy this because this is gonna be very memorable. You know what I'm saying? You only get a couple of these in your school life, and you want to remember it. So no matter what, I'm gonna make sure. Even your graduation, we gonna make sure you got everything you need.
Okay.
Everybody, yeah.
I'm like, yup, my uncle's gonna pull up.
Yep. I ain't gonna even lie. We finna go hard. I hope it ain't too many cars or nothing. I'm gonna show out. I know not too many people gonna pull up in something good.
My friend said, oh no, I'm gonna just pull up in the Honda.
Ah,
I was like, dang.
Nah, we ain't doing that.
If that's what you got.
Yeah, I mean, if that's what you got, you gotta do what you gotta do. You know what I'm saying? But you know, we can't roll like that. Yeah, we gotta go hard every year. Yeah, y'all. We finna go turn up 2023. Let that up, son. You know?
I have to disconnect it.
Yeah, you is.
Alright, my transition.
Okay. Okay, good TikTok. Let's go. Carmen, turn up on her. Let's go, man.
She said, you know that's fine. I'm straight because it's your daddy's birthday. But they can go if y'all want.
Okay. We can I'ma call up there and see if they packed. And I want you to text me and say, Uncle Rory, are they packed? And then we'll just go from there.
Okay, like at what?
You can do it at like before you finna get out, so I can go ahead and call. Oh, let's do it.
It ain't in the Range Rover.
Okay. Let's see what we got going on. Who pulling up, man? Let's go, Carmen. Look, I'm gonna let you out. Don't you open your door. I'm gonna open your door.
Try to open the door.
Oh, for real? I mean, if they want to open the door, okay. But I was gonna do it if nobody ain't doing it. Let's do it, man.
Okay, somebody pulled up in a
Branch Benz. know what I'm saying? Had to pull up on her jump, man. Yeah, I see you looking 12. Still out here, good scat pack, boy. 12 can't fuck with me. Fuck with me. Get loose, baby. Yes, sir. Let's get it, chap. I can't get loose. Too much traffic. Too much traffic. Loving this Friday. Just chilling, enjoying it, kick back, you know. But like I said, I will be back. Like, comment, and subscribe. I know it's finna run into some more traffic. And content all weekend. Let's get it. Yeah.